Welcome to Wreck Tech, where we wreck and tech. This is too much energy. I hate myself. What is going on? That is so not organized. That looks bad. It looked 20% better like a week ago. I don't have enough light in here. It's so bad. I'm trying. Oh, God. I don't know where I'm going to put this. Where am I going to put this? Yeah, I usually am this shiny. I wasn't prepared. That was this tank. Wasn't that cool? That was so cool. I only shot it twice because I was told it was too dangerous. Too much wrecking. So much teching. Cringy. Fuck. This space reflects my state of mind. Messy. The video you just saw, that was from this mortar shooter, fireworks shooter. It's not attached right now. Why is it not attached? Because I was having fun with the Nerf gun because it wasn't 4th of July anymore. I'd love to shoot it more often, but I can only shoot it like twice a year. 2 days of the year. 2 days. What am I gonna do for the rest of the year? Nerf guns, okay? Why is it like this? Shit broke. Shit, ooh, look, shit broke. Where's the wheel? That goes right there. And it broke. That's in the video. Fuck. I'm gonna have to put that video in this video now. Oh, God. Oh, God, no. You know, it is what it is. It was cool. But this needs a little bit more work. If you're not wrecking, you're not learning. And I'm here to learn. And I learn by wrecking. Okay? You learn from your mistakes. I'm not saying wrecking is a mistake, okay? I wreck by design. Okay? This is where we wreck. Not here. This is where I make. But out there, that's where I wreck. Okay? We want to have fun out there wrecking, but here we build. We build. I hope my neighbors don't hear me. It's late at night. Why? I don't know. Because I procrastinate. I play games. I work all day. I'd love to do this more often. Okay, but I just can't. I'm out here trying to survive. I gotta work. Why am I ranting about this? I look like a psychopath. Why am I so close to the camera? This is stupid. Now that spiel's all done, let me roll some of the footage that I did in the forest. That was exciting. Oh shit. Here, I'll bring it down here. This video has so much goddamn fucking energy because it's late. And I get hyper when I'm tired. I'm here to make a video documenting all the shit that I do. I didn't make a video when I made this, okay? So you're gonna have to just settle for the repair video that I have to do because goddamn shit broke, okay? This fell off, this broke off. It's all 3D printed and it holds up pretty good. I only had 2 track links break on me all day. Okay, and look, it's so scuffed because I was driving on a very fine dusty RC track. It held up pretty good. You'll see. Trust me, you'll see. You'll see in the next video. Oh, this is a fucking bomb. It shoots bombs. It shoots bombs. Don't tell the government. Is this legal? I think it's legal. I think I could do that. But I'm a simple man. I like fireworks. And I like tanks. And I like wrecking. And teching. Because here at Rec Tech, we wreck. And we tech. In this segment, I want to give a shout out to other people. No one has subscribed to me because I have not posted a video. I'm going to shout out some inspirations. First one being Built by Wakander. He had this really cool video where he builds a tank from scratch using wood, 3D printed parts, recycled motors from a power drill. I thought that was so cool, so I did that myself. It didn't turn out as cool, but you know what? It was fun. I built that for my brother. He likes tanks. And you know what? I don't blame him. I like tanks too. If you want to see more cool shit, subscribe. Maybe give this video a like if you like the video. If you didn't like the video, please tell me why. Okay, this is my first video. I don't know what I'm doing. I'd love to hear why you did not like this video. Or if you liked the video, please tell me why you liked it so I can do more of that. Wreck responsibly.